welcome to another video. And today I am at a very unique place. I am in Pochampally. Pochampally is very famous for its ikkath print, so right now we'll be exploring the whole handloom, ikkath handloom thing in Pochampally. So right now I am in Pochampally Handloom Park. So this is the place where I am standing right now, is their store where they sell whatever they manufacture in their handloom park, and I will be taking you through the whole process from the start to the tying and dyeing and everything till the final product is done and it is displayed here in their store. So let's go check out the ikkath print. So the process starts with counting the thread. She has been instructed by her supervisor as to how many threads to be counted to make one proper thread. So I think she's been told that 3000 or something is the thread to be used to form one whole of the thread. So she's counting the thread. After that we come to the process of marking. So marking is really important because this will determine the basis of the colors for the whole of the fabric. So he essentially marks wherever he wants the other team to put the tie. So this is how the marking goes, and I'm pretty sure the whole marking is based on design which has already been thought by them. So this is how they do the marking. After the marking is done, you actually go ahead and tie on those marking areas. So if you see, she's tying a plastic first. So basically wherever she's tying the plastic, you don't want any color to appear on that area. So first she is going to wrap a plastic, and then over the plastic she is going to secure it with a tire strip. So that's how she will secure the whole of that area, so that when later this goes into dyeing, this particular section, whatever is covered with that tire strip, will not get the color over it. It's such a meticulous job to be done. It's really interesting. So what she was doing was kind of a simple tying, but here if you see, he's tying with a lot of patterns over here. So they have a predefined pattern on which he's doing the tying thing, after which just look at the pattern. So after which, when they will dye, this whole pattern will be white, and the rest of the white will be the color in which they will dye.
So this process here is before it goes on to the loom. It's called dressing the warp. They're making sure that all the yarns are there. They're separating each and every yarn. So then once you start threading it through the reed and the heddles, it's all there. It's all tied. See, she's making sure that all these threads are intact and tied. See? She's checking it.
So this is before the marking process?
No, this is after the marking. This is ready to go on to the loom.
Okay. Now we are going inside the processing unit. Ooh, it's hot in here. Okay, let's go to the experts.
Normally boil the yarn overnight in a vat like that, and you leave it, and then tomorrow morning you will come and you take it out, you nicely rinse it out, and then start dyeing. So right now they're not coloring, he says it will take a while, so you can either do a cold dyeing or a hot dyeing process. So color, you can dye color. You can either, for the side ickats, you do it like this. These are when one of the is plain. I was telling you, no, one could be a wet ticket or a. So this is for the plain dye. So these are machines that they got which dye automatically. So you just feed in the color and you set it and then it will kind of turn it and dye it. But you can only dye plain things like this. You can't dye side balls.
So creative. This essentially is the result of all the steps that we have seen. So this is something which has been tied and dyed, and it looks like this. So if you see, he is opening the ties right now. So if you remember the lady who was tying with the black tire material, so that is the same thing which has been dyed now, and he's opening up that ties now. So if you see all the places from where he's removing the ties, it is all white without color. Such a pretty color.
So she is connecting the threads of the new warp onto the threads of the old warp here. ये पुराना का है, ये सब हो चुका है ना, finished है ना. So she is joining that so that the new warp can be pulled together and put onto the loom. So those 3,000 threads I told you about, she will connect each of those threads.
And how many times is this process done?
Every time you put on a fresh warp, you have to.
And when is the fresh warp put on?
When the course is over.
Whenever there is a new color added.
So it's for the length.
The length. See, we said there that the length can change. It could either be 25 meters or 100 meters or 150 meters. So once the 150 meters is over, you have to put in a new set of threads.
Oh, I got it now.
Weaving to happen. So this is when she's attaching the new threads onto the old.
And what is the maximum length that?
Depending on the type of loom, anywhere between 25 meters to 300 meters.
Okay.
So this is the fabric that has already been woven. And this is the yarns from that fabric that is left over. So just before it gets over, they'll cut it off. Then this she will use to attach the new threads onto it. The alternate to this, and it is not a knot. ऐसे करके थोड़ा ash use करके ऐसे करते. It's not knotted. ये सब तो घर में ladies करते हैं. If the weaver is weaving, the ladies do all this. घर में ये सब करके उसको ready करके.
Now, what all we have seen was a pre-loom process. The pre-processing that needs to be done before the thread goes over the loom. Now we are going to the factory or part where the threads will go on the loom.
What you saw there that they were threading on was this dress. So last में हम देखा ना वहाँ thread के जगह So once they put it here, then you have to thread it through something on that. It's called the reed here. So each of those threads will come through one of this. यहाँ क्या है? First will come on this, second will come on this. Third will come on this, fourth will come on this, fifth will come on this, sixth will come on this. It's like a binary. So each one has to press it and it's all attached to the pedals there at the bottom. This is attached to the pedal. So as she pushes one down, one will come on. And the shed will open. Pressing this.
साड़ी इतनी सुंदर साड़ी है.
Can you see this? So one thread is going up, one thread is coming down. Alternative threads.
Just this thread is coming.
One thread is one thread is going up, the second is coming down. The third is going up, the fourth is coming down. Okay. That creates what is this called the shed here. Can you see this gap? You see it here also. So through this gap, the best yarn will be inserted to make the fabric. She will weave about 3.5 to 4 meters every day. Just make sure that the design matches. She is also using 4 stitches. She is doing that white.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also to mention, I did the trail with a company called Breakaway. So they conduct a lot of trails across the country. So if you're interested in something like this, you can contact them. I will mention their link in the description box below. And yeah, if you know somebody who's into textile and handloom, maybe share the video with them. They might appreciate the whole process and everything. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Till then, bye.